This new workflow is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how to use Firefly Boards to create a Photoshop library to house your Photoshop files, much easier than searching through files and folders. But before we jump in, this is actually one of the workflows from my new AI Workflows handbook. I put together an AI Workflows handbook that's packed with practical tips and techniques. It covers AI models, prompt recipes, visual direction, reference images, and much more. If you'd like better, more consistent AI results without all the guesswork, check out the link in the comments. There's two ways to save Photoshop files to Firefly Boards. Both involve saving your files to the Adobe Cloud. This is how you'll be able to keep your Photoshop files updated on Firefly Boards. The first option involves sending your file directly from Photoshop to Firefly Boards, but this will jam you up while you wait for your file to upload. The easier way is just to drag your PSD file from your file system onto Firefly Boards. Then you can work on your board while your file is being saved. You'll see the icon on your preview image turn from this to this. Next, draw your artboard and color it with any color. Use the type tool to add in any additional info. Maybe you have another round of changes. You document those and make those files easier to access. You can copy a link to the artboard or export it. While technically you can edit the Photoshop file in Firefly Boards, it will flatten and unlink your Photoshop file. The cool thing is you can copy a link to the Photoshop file on the board so you can collaborate easy and not have to worry about access. Next, you can open the file in Photoshop, make any edits or changes, and hit save. When you go back to your Firefly board, you'll notice that there's a notification that your file on the board needs updating, and you can update it manually. It would also update on its own. Hold down the Option key and duplicate the artboard to make another one, and drag in another PSD file. Now you have a Photoshop library with your files available all in one place. What an easy workflow and a cool way to make a visual library of your work.